What does this face mean?
Nature broke up with me.
Oh, I'm sorry, Jess. Breakups are never easy. I mean, I guess you know that. I haven't gone through a divorce, too, and...
I just don't understand. I thought we were fine. I think I loved him. I just don't know why he left.
I'm really sorry, Jess.
Why'd you divorce Patricia?
It was easy. We weren't in the same country then, you know? She wasn't around.
It must have helped with the pain.
Sad thing is, being with her was the happiest I'd ever been. Every girl I've been with since then, I find myself physically holding as close as possible.
Is that so they don't leave like she did?
So they can't see the empty look on my face. I get so tired of smiling. If you're not smiling, something must be wrong, so I just hold them and let my face do what it wants. It doesn't look very happy. Looks kind of like this.
Quit it. Stop.
Hey, baby. Yeah, all right.
What's up?
Nature's calling.